Now step number 4. Step number 4 is calculate reactions due to movement. So let us consider the hogging moment diagram what we have done. 148.60 and 62 here, 62.80 here, and we have 0 at this end. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. We have a diagram joining like this. We have already drawn on the last page. Okay, now this is 6 meter, this is 4 meter. Now when you are calculating reactions due to the moment, we have to consider difference between the two moments at A and B, difference divided by the length. So it is going to be 148.60 minus 62.80 divided by 6 meter. How much is that? 148.6 minus 62.8 divided by 6. This is 148.6 minus 62.8 divided by 6. So this is 14.3 kilonewton. Now RA here and RB1 here, RA and RB1 reactions. So moment at A is higher than moment at B. So that means we have to add 14.3 at A and deduct 14.3 at B. Okay. Similarly, reaction BC. Reaction BC, difference between the two moments, 62.8 minus 0, 62.8 minus 0 divided by the length of the beam. So 62.8 divided by 4 meters. It is 15.7 kilonewton. So RB2 we have and RC. Where we are going to add? Since moment is higher here, okay, this is 0. So we are going to add 15.7 at B and deduct 15.7 at C. Okay, so this is reaction due to moment. Now next step, step number 5. Analyze the beam as simply supported beam. Analyze each span as simply supported beam. Okay, so we are going to analyze this. Let me draw. This is 40 kilonewton per meter. This is 6 meter. So symmetrically loaded span, reaction at B is equal to reaction at B1. Okay, this will be RB1, this is RA. So this will be total load 40 into 6 divided by 2. 40 into 6 divided by 2, 120 kilonewton. Similarly, moment AB, sagging moment. How the sagging moment will be? It will be a parabola. It will be plus. We have to calculate WL square by 8. Okay. So WL square by 8 is 4 into 6 square divided by 8. So 40 into 6 square divided by 8. So 180 kilonewton meter. Okay. Similarly, calculate for BC, this will be RB2 and RC. Load is 30 kilonewton acting at 3 meters. So this is 1 meter and this is total 4 meter. So here also we have direct formulas. So but reactions are not equal because it's not symmetrically loaded span. So RB2 is equal to W into B. So this is A, this is B. W into B divided by L. So it's going to be 30 into 1 divided by 4. So 30 divided by 4. 30 divided by 4 is 7.5 kilonewton. Similarly, RC will be WA by L. So it will be 30 into 3 divided by 4. 22.5 kilonewton, and we have moment BC, positive moment BC, sagging moment BC, WAB by L. So this will be 30 into 3 into 1 divided by 4. So 30 into 3 divided by 4, that is 22.5 kilonewton meter. Okay, so these are the sagging moments and reactions. This is plus, this is 22.5. So now to draw final PMD, we have to superimpose. So let us do that